Hello, welcome to another episode of Volkswagen Classics. In today's episode, we're planning on unbolting the body, taking the body off the floor pan, and starting to remove the passenger side heater channel. Alright, the body is unbolted off the floor pan. We've got to take these tarp blankety things out, and we'll roll the beetle out there so we can take the body off. Alright, now I'm going to give the floor pan a sweep because there's a lot of dirt and all sorts of things. Alright, the floor pan's a lot more cleaner. Still a bit of dirt, but it'll be right. Yeah, got most of the dirt off. Alright, I reckon the next thing we'll do is lift this body up on some trestles so we can start working on the passenger side heater Alright, so we've cut out this side heater channel, most of it. We can see there's still some to go, but we've got a bit there and a bit there to go still. But yeah, cut that out, marked out where the rust repair piece is going to go. But yeah, cut that out. Having some troubles here with this flange on the heater channel. It's hitting the seat runner because it still needs to come over a bit. And this trim, we don't know if that's right. It's squared off here, which I'm assuming is for a later model Beetle. Which I don't know if we'll leave it, because it'd be covered in carpet, or do we change it. Add this here. You got this tube. I was thinking to cut the flange off either side and then kind of weld it, or if we put the old one in. Alright, now what I'm going to do is undrill all these spot welds. Because this heater channel bit here is only rubbish, I can drill all the way through and it won't really matter. We've gotten most of this, the spot welds between the two panels separated. You can see it's like chiseled off. So a few more spots and that will release. I primed this panel right here off camera, just to give it a bit of, protection coat or something. Right, we've brought the beetle floor pan in, back to the beetle shed. It'll need a proper clean with a brush and some air gun or something. This will be coming back in soon to the other shed where we put the body on, so we can line up the heater channels. But yeah, we've put it in here for the night because it won't be going in the other shed. Alright, so I've cleared here a bit. You can see there's rust holes here, and around the back. You can see there's a bit there, and in there. So what we've got is this reproduction piece here, which goes in just like that. So I think we might cut some sections out of that to put in. It's not perfect, it'll fix most jobs, but I think we'll need to use a donor car for this, because this just moves all over the place. Now it shouldn't be doing that. So this section might be cut out of a donor car, and this be used from the reproduction panel. Alright, so we got the rest of the A-pillar cut out, and the inner fender well kind of area. There's still that bit at the back there which needs to come out, and there's still a bit more heater channel here, but we got most of it out today, which is good progress. And this is where we finish up. Made a lot of progress today. We cut one heater channel out, started the replacement for the heater channels, which has been very good. I don't know whether I'm working on it for how many weeks, maybe next weekend, who knows. But we made a good start, and yeah, get on to finishing the heater channels. And anyway, thank you all for watching.